Video making in the rain. Instead of singing in the rain, it's making a video in the rain. Yes, I am. So, how have you been up to, you crazy, crazy people? Yes, these videos aren't the best, I know that, but I got to make them because they make me so happy. I'm stuck in a job that I really, really don't like, and I wish I could get a better one, but I really can't because the economy sucks and everything. I mean, I've been applying for other jobs, but so much competition. It's driving me a little batty. You know what I mean? Too many people. Too economy sucks. Help me. Help us all. This economy sucks. Yes, it does. And it keeps getting worse. And nothing's gonna be able to change it. And it's starting to rain even more. So I better end this video before I ruin my. So have a good day, evening, or whatever time zone you're in.